We'll dive into how ChatGPT can optimize order management processes. Let's delve into a hypothetical scenario to demonstrate ChatGPT's capabilities in this area. Consider this scenario. You operate an e commerce enterprise handling a significant influx of daily orders. Ensuring streamlined management of these orders is paramount for upholding customer satisfaction and operational effectiveness. To enhance efficiency in analyzing order data for optimizing shipping methods, delivery schedules, and order quantities, you turn to ChatGPT. With its analytical prowess and tailored improvement strategies, ChatGPT saves you time and proves to be an invaluable asset. Let's swiftly delineate the process ChatGPT employs to furnish you with a comprehensive analysis. Step 1 involves data input. You provide ChatGPT with essential data, including order ID, quantity, customer location, and preferred delivery date. In step 2, ChatGPT conducts optimization analysis. It scrutinizes the data to identify trends and commonalities in shipping preferences and order quantities. Additionally, it calculates optimal shipping methods based on factors such as location, weight, and cost considerations. Moving to step 3, schedule coordination. ChatGPT determines the best delivery schedules by aligning customer preferences with logistic capabilities. Furthermore, it suggests adjustments to order quantities based on past order trends and current inventory levels. Step 4 entails automation suggestions. ChatGPT proposes automating the reordering process for popular products that frequently run low. Additionally, it recommends adjustments to shipping methods during peak seasons to ensure timely delivery. Let's now illustrate this practically through an example. Here is a table containing fictional data regarding supplier performance. This dataset includes order ID, which is a unique identifier for each order, product ID, which is a unique code representing each type of product, quantity, which is the number of units ordered, customer location. This is the shipping destination categorized into different zones, and preferred delivery date. This is the date by which the customer prefers to receive their order. You will submit this dataset with the following prompt in ChatGPT. Generate insights on shipping trends, optimal methods, and order adjustment based on past data and inventory levels. Provide suggestions for automating reordering processes and optimizing shipping during peak seasons. As evident here, ChatGPT's analysis of the provided order data offers actionable insights into shipping trends, optimal methods, and adjustments needed for efficient logistics management. It highlights the frequent orders for certain products and emphasizes the importance of Zone 5 as a key customer location. By clustering delivery dates and consolidating shipments by zone, the analysis suggests ways to optimize routes and reduce shipping costs. It advocates for maintaining higher inventory levels for popular products and automating reordering processes to avoid stockouts. The introduction of advanced logistics software is recommended for real time route planning and direct supplier integration. During peak seasons, employing additional staff and securing preferential shipping rates could further streamline operations. Overall, the analysis focuses on leveraging technology to enhance inventory management, optimize shipping, and improve customer satisfaction. This session highlights ChatGPT's capability to automate and enhance order management, catering to accounting requirements and showcasing its potential to revolutionize business operations in this critical domain. Keep an eye out for future modules where we delve into additional examples and scenarios illustrating how ChatGPT can innovate various other accounting procedures.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.